In front of me is HardReset 8, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is open an app called Themes and select Themes in all of those options. Featured, Categories, and Top. You can even click on the search bar at the top right corner and type in wherever you want to. Either way, after locating a perfect theme, click on it. Select Download at the bottom and hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my honor has changed. If you wish to go back to the default one, access Themes app again, and this time click on Sorry missed click on Me at the bottom right corner. Then hit one of your preset themes and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!